came down here to see something, but I came across something really cool. I can almost see myself in this. You got a whole slew of them down there. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? I don't know if she'll fit back in some of the places I like to go. Anyway, pretty cool. Not a ton of money either. It makes me want to go where I know this guy bought them. Anyway, side excursion. Many times as I've been to Florida, I gotta say, not to knock it or anything, there's certain things that you gotta come to Florida to get, I guess. They're not my favorite things. I never really liked Florida all that much. Never really realized Florida's actually got some spots that are pretty. Nice farmland here. This don't look too much different than Tennessee. Nice spot. Yeah, beaches are cool and all that. I've just had boots on too many of them. It's nice to go with the family and all. But I noticed these driving by, and nothing like the old charcoal kilns out west for smelting gold and all that. But I think this is actually like an old charcoal factory, would be my guess, because I'm seeing what's left here. But those look like some really old kilns. Yeah, nothing like the old beehive kilns or anything, but similar. So, I'm gonna run down here and go in the office and ask for some permission. And see if we can take a closer look. Yeah, he's telling me to get out of his driveway.